In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bot to MetaTrader 4. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your MT4, and then you want to go to the top left here. You want to click on File, and then you want to click on Open Data Folder. Now, when you are in here, it's going to open your File Explorer. It's going to look like this, and you want to go into the MQL4 file, which is over here in the middle. So go inside here, and as you can see, there's the Experts folder. You want to double click this to open the Experts folder, and this is where you basically have to add your bot. Now, I'm assuming if you're trying to add a bot, you have one already. I actually generated one tutorial one using ChatGPT. Of course, you can create them with AI. You could go and build them yourself if you know how to do it, or you can get them if, of course, you know somebody who has them and they're willing to give them to you or whatever. So wherever you may have gotten it, you want to put it here inside the experts folder. So let me actually drag and drop it in here like this. There we go. As you can see, we have this simple tutorial bot.mq4. Okay. Now, whenever you've done this, you can go and basically close this. So this could be either a MQ4 or EX4 file. I think those two are supported. So I'm going to close this down. And then whenever you've done this, you want to go and close and restart the MT4 platform to apply changes, because here inside Expert Advisors, right now, there's not going to be any of them because, of course, I haven't reset. So reset by closing down your MT4 like this, and you want to just reopen it back again. Okay, so let me actually reopen the MetaTrader 4 over here like this. It's going to pop up right now. There we go. And you'll see that now if I go inside here, inside my Expert Advisors, I have this simple tutorial bot, okay? So that means that has been now done. Now, if you can't see this for some reason, you're going to have to go to Tools first up top, and you want to go into Options, and then inside Options, you want to go to Expert Advisors, and you want to allow automated trading, okay? If it says like algorithmic or something like this, you want to enable this to allow it and click on OK. Now, whenever you've done that, you should be able to see the Expert Advisors over here, and now all you have to do is basically attach the bot to your chart. So you just simply want to go to here and then drag on the bot. If you don't see the navigator over here, you want to go to a top here where you can see there's going to be the view button, and you want to click on the navigator or press Ctrl+N, and it's going to be over here. Then simply drag and drop the bot onto your chart just like this, and as you can see, it's going to ask you if you want to do this. Click on OK. And there we go. As you can see, the bot is actually working. It was a simple bot which opens a trade if no trades are present, and it did exactly that. So that's how to do this. That's how to add a bot to MT4. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.